Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and Ramadan Mubarak. I wanted to share with you guys another recipe for Iftar. Last year I shared a piaju and a boot recipe, and this time around I wanted to share another favorite, which is Beguni. It's kind of like an eggplant fritter, but of course deep fried because all the good things during Iftar are deep fried. If you guys are interested in Ramadan recipes, Iftar recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. Alright, welcome back. The first thing you want to do is wash and clean your eggplant. My eggplant I bought from Trader Joe's, just a standard eggplant, and then I went ahead and sliced them. I sliced them into 1/4 inch thickness, and honestly, as I'm watching myself slice this again, I realized I could have used my Madeleine and it would have been all the same exact size and thickness. But oh well. This was fast and easy, and then you can see you get perfectly round discs to fry up later. So in a separate bowl, I went ahead and added my bishan or my chickpea powder. To that I added some salt. I also added some turmeric, and honestly, play around with the quantity. I used about 1/2 teaspoon for everything and it was perfect for me. I also added some chili powder and some cumin. And really that's it. Add some water. I did 1/2 cup of powder to about 1 cup of water. That ratio seems perfect to me. I went ahead and just kind of whisked this all together. And the batter is kind of a little bit thinner than pancake batter. So that's probably the consistency that you're looking for, a little bit thinner than pancake batter. Then I just went ahead and dipped my individual discs that I just sliced into the batter. And that's it. You take a frying pan, go ahead and heat up a bunch of oil, and you just wait till it's warm and dip each of those eggplant discs into the batter and then put it in the oil. I put about 5 for the size of pan that I have, just so that it doesn't overcrowd the pan and then in turn lower the temperature of the oil. So I do about 5 at a time. And then about 3 minutes into it, I go ahead and flip it, but you just want to make sure that the side is nice and golden before you flip it onto the other side. And then I go ahead and fry it for another 3 to 4 minutes. And then I decided that there should be one more, so I added one in the middle again. But after about a total of 8 to 10 minutes, both sides were done. They were delicious, they were gold, they looked perfect. So I just took a plate, put some paper towels on it so I can soak up any of the excess oil, and then I just placed it. It's really that easy, and it's so delicious. Alright, there you guys go. That is my easy Beguni recipe that honestly was always at my Iftar table when I was young. So brings back a lot of memories and a lot of good times during Iftar and Ramadan. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I will link my other Ramadan and Iftar recipes in the description box below so you can check it out. Otherwise, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.